Hello everyone, my name is Kalpana. Welcome to my channel Table for One. Today we will be making biscuit ambodo. Ambodo, as you know, is a vada. So let's start. The ingredients required for making biscuit ambodos are ginger. I have finely diced the ginger. You can take coconut scraping, but this is the right way to cut the coconuts and take the bits for biscuit ambodo. This is optional. If you want, you can take the coriander leaf. The star ingredient is the urad dal, which I have soaked for 2 hours. I have taken 1 cup of urad dal and I have soaked it. Salt to taste. You have to take a big pinch of hing. I have finely diced the chilies here. If you don't want to eat, if you have children at home and they cannot take spicy food, you can make it into big pieces and add it to the batter, or you can grind the chilies along with the batter and use. But if you use it in this way, it will give nice textures to the ambodos. And I have also taken some kadi patta, which you can cut a little finely before adding to the batter. Of course, we need oil. I have taken the organic oil here for frying. Now we have to grind this into a smooth paste. I want you to remember, when you grind, you have to be careful that no urad dal is whole. You have to ensure that everything is ground into paste, because if you put in the oil, if there is any unground urad dal, it will splutter. It may cause injury to you. So ensure that it is ground finely. Look at the consistency. Now it has become into smooth paste and it's falling into a lump. Before frying the ambodos, you have to add all the masala and then fry. Some of them use a pinch of soda also. Today I am not using soda. I am doing without soda. At least for 5 to 10 minutes you have to beat it nicely. Now I have beaten this dough for at least 5 minutes. Check whether the dough is ready for frying. Now I am going to take a bowl of water and drop the dough. Can you see it floating? That means it is aerated well. Now it's ready for frying. Add all the masala. Added green chilies. I am just stirring the kadi patta and adding it. Ginger. I am adding coconut pieces. Hing. Salt. If you want, you can add some coriander leaves also. Now give a nice mix to this dough because I have added salt. Now the oil is ready for frying. Now what you should do is, you have to dip your hand into the water like this, and then you have to take the batter. Otherwise the batter will stick to your hand and the ambodos will not be round. So you have to take like this and put it in the oil. Once you have dropped the batter, you have to keep turning it so that it gets cooked evenly. It has to become brown all over. See, can you see? It's becoming crispy. It has to become still crispier. It is turning to golden brown. When you lift up the biscuit ambodo, it should feel light. That means your biscuit ambodo is cooked. Now it is time to remove it from the oil. Can you see? Now remove it from the oil and put it on the kitchen towel. If you have done your batter well, I can guarantee that it will not soak oil. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for notification. Please follow me on my Instagram page for more updates. The link is given in the description box.